Hello my alien students, welcome back. So we are in part 2 of this beautiful project. Okay, I hope everyone is fresh today, fresh and energized as they say. Okay, so first thing is, before we start any project, okay, generally what I do is I do something called as cleanup. Okay, actually our aim is to do this. Wow, I had done this actually. Maybe if you see my series of classes before, this is what we need to do now. First thing is to do the architectural stuff. I believe I have done this. If you do not know how I did it, I tell you how I did it. Okay, it's something very simple. Okay, first we are in AutoCAD, isn't it? We are in AutoCAD. Oh, beautiful. This is an XREF. Okay, see, the guy who has done this drawing, okay, he has done as an XREF. He has put E external walls. Okay, I just create one copy here. Okay, and that's the story. That's it. My first aim would be, okay, to create this part in AutoCAD. Okay, sorry, in Revit. Okay, so we're going to create levels, grids, etc., etc. Okay, I think they have given the section view. If you cannot see it, okay, gutter and blah blah, slope is here. Okay, that's the roof, finish floor. It's not very visible actually. Anyway, okay, total 3500. That's the flooring. So let's say 4.3. okay, looks good. Okay, so at least let's say a minimum of block wall, okay, let's say 4.3 meters, 43 plus 43.4, 44.4. What I look forward is 100 millimeter slab, 4.304 meter. Okay, no worries. So let's say 4 meter. Yeah, if things are becoming funny, I show you one story. Right click, add selected. Okay, okay, so this is our story. Levels will be from, okay, so level 0, 4115, level 2. Okay, this is the first thing we'll have to do in Revit. Okay, the levels are most important. The second thing, we'll be creating the grids. Okay, so part 2, or let's say part 3, would be doing the levels and grids, and then after we we'll be inserting the file, and then inserting the AutoCAD file, and then linking them, creating the levels and grids, and the wall. What's the thickness of the wall? It should be written somewhere. I think instead of finding it, just click 2 points. Looks 200. Yeah, 200. Beautiful. 200 millimeter wall. Outer wall is 200. Generally I like to have it point to point. What's the story? 200. And I think the interior wall is also 200. No, 200. Listen. Okay, so we will be cleaning stuff here. First we'll be drawing something like this. Okay, this will be our first part of the story, just drawing the interior. Okay, do you like to explode it? Okay, explode it. We'll see what's the story. Beautiful. We don't want this, we just need the exterior walls. M0 layer wall. Okay, good, isn't it? Okay, so next the next class we will be first drawing on these walls in Revit, and then moving forward from there. Okay, I hope you have no comments for this. Any doubts, you shall type it in the comment section. Okay, I think that's it for today. I just want to ask one request for all my students who are watching this class or whatever may be the story. If you really enjoyed the class, hit the like button. Okay? If you love the class, or if you like, I think John, you like to be famous, share the what is this video. Okay. Anyway, take care, and we see each other in the next class. We're gonna see each other fresh in the next class. We're gonna start this beautiful project, and I think that's it. Okay. Yalla. Bye.